Vishwanath is telling us what the gopis are saying and what they're feeling. He wrote this 200 years ago. The gopis were thinking and feeling all these things that are presented in this Ras Leela 5,000 years ago in terms of Prakat Leela, visible, tangible pastimes on this planet. But by the power of his samadhi, by the power of his praying dristi, these great acharyas are able to transit through time. So this Vishwanath, he's able to enter the hearts, and he said this particular verse is being spoken by some of the more guileless gopis. Do you know the meaning of guileless? I didn't. I looked it up. It means bold and outspoken. So you can fill in the blank. Who is a bold and outspoken gopi? And he's not saying who, but probably Lalita. This very bold Sakhi is hoping to defeat Krishna with his own statements. The Braja Gopi said, "You have said that a woman's duty is to serve her husband and other relatives. This remains valid as far as it applies." They say your statements about serving a woman's duty is to serve her husband remains valid as far as it applies. And we have no argument against this. We have been doing that all the time. And Krishna says, really? You've been observing the proper duty and dharma all the time. Can you tell me in what way you've been doing that? Oh, what way? We are always engaged in serving you, the original instructor in dharma meant for us. Because he's saying, go home, serve your husbands. Our home is where our heart is. So we're here. Our heart is you, and we're in front of you. So go home and serve your husbands. So first of all, home is where your heart is. So we're standing in front of Krishna on the banks of Yamuna under the Kadamba tree, or rather the Vat tree at Vamshivat, banyan tree. So now we're home because we're home with our beloved. But then you're saying, serve your husbands. You're the Parapati. You're the supreme husband of everyone. You're the father of everyone. You say in Gita in 14th chapter, 27th verse, Sarva Yonishu Konteya Murtiya Sambhavantiya. It says, Aham bija pradapita. It says, Aham bija pradapita. Krishna, we already know the Gita before you speak it. It says, you're the seed-giving father of everyone. Aham bija pradapita. You're the father, you're the pita of everyone, and you're also the pati. If you're the father of everyone, and everyone else claims to have different fathers, oh, my father is not your father, but you say that you're the father of everyone. So everyone also has different patis. So there's pati, 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 pati. Then there's the parapati or upapati. That's you, Krishna. So therefore, serving the husbands means serving you. We are always engaged in serving you, the original and instructor on dharma meant for us. This is according to the reasoning that first one should serve the acharya who teaches dharma, then one should execute other instructions given. The scriptures state that only by following the acharya without duplicity can one's religious duties be successfully prosecuted. Otherwise, if the acharya is Bhagavan himself, how much more we should... This is all the gopis are speaking. They're pretty smart gopis. They say, well, one should follow the guru and do what he says. That's primary and urgent. And then, okay, so I get up early in the morning. I chant a little Hare Krishna. I read a little Gita or Bhagavat. And then I cook the breakfast and prepare the lunches and I do all my things. But first, priority. Husband and wife, everything's priority. But first, transcendental priority is the Atma Dharma. Because there's Swadharma and Varna Dharma. The Dharma are actions or activities we have to do in relation to our body and the relationships established by our body, our husbands, wives, children. But then there's Atma Dharma, the service of Krishna. So that's what the gopis are saying.